Hey, this is Ashley from RecPro. Now, in your water system, in your hoses, using a lot of water at one point can sometimes be a pain. Oftentimes, it's because you have one faucet, one hose, and you have two things that need water. Well, with the Y splitter, you can go around that problem. This is our RV 3/4 inch hose Y splitter with Shutoff. Product code RP-2038. Now, the dimensions for it are on the screen, but it's nice brass construction, it's corrosion resistant, and it's eco-friendly and temperature safe with rubber seal rings to keep everything nice and sealed. It has two-way hose outlets that fit any kind of standard garden hose, which are 3/4 inch threaded connections. And the hose splitter is covered with this rubber twirler for easier use. I forget the name for it, so twirler it is. It includes these ABS plastic shut-off switches, so they're really durable, they're gonna last you a long time, and you have an adjustable flow with these switches. So essentially, you have your faucet, you connect this up to them, and then through these, you now have two faucets instead of one. So if you wanna find out more about this, you can click the link below, then like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.